What counts as a good justification for a claim? Well, first of all, what is a justification? We start off with a claim. I know something. I know it because something. And that latter part is the justification. When we think of justification, we often think of evidence. And evidence is certainly a form of justification, perhaps a strong form of justification. But remember, in order for evidence to be evidence, it needs to have been observed and it needs to be verifiable. So for evidence to work, we need to see something like this example here. We know that global warming is happening. We know this because the planet's temperature has risen by a whole degree over the past 40 years, which is significantly more than its usual rate. So we could say that evidence that is observable and verifiable can be a good form of justification for certain types of claims. But remember, not all justifications need to be steeped in evidence. It ultimately depends on the context of what you are saying. What I have for you on this slide are several knowledge claims backed up with a justification, and I think you'll see that they are not really evidence. But because the stakes are quite low with these knowledge claims, maybe the justifications are good enough. That's something that you can decide. Ultimately, I think we need to re-examine the purpose of justification. I think that the purpose of a justification is to strengthen our knowledge claim. And if our justification fails to convince people that our knowledge claim is strong, it is poor. On the other hand, if our justification helps convince people that our knowledge claim is strong, it is good. And maybe that is a formula that we could apply to all justifications. Ultimately, is our justification going to help convince people that our knowledge claim is correct, or at least something worth thinking about? Thank you very much.